Good afternoon. Today is the 9th of January 2026. It's a very rainy day today. It's raining the whole day. It is 3 degrees Celsius and the snow is melting. So it's not a very cold day. It's a Friday afternoon at approximately 4 p.m. So I hope you had a wonderful week and I wish you a good weekend. So a lot of the snow has melted today because this continuous rain. So I would wish you a pleasant weekend, enjoyable time with your family and friends, and may God bless you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do not forget to like and subscribe because that makes makes a difference and makes me feel motivated and appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you.